Hi there. Did you know smokers on average die 10 years before non-smokers, and that smoking accounts for 28% of all cancer deaths in the UK? Because of this, there's been a great need for an accurate and robust smoking test. Over the next few minutes, I will tell you some of the key points about ABS Laboratories' Saliva Cotinine test. The Saliva Cotinine test is all about testing if someone smokes or is exposed to tobacco smoke. This test is really useful for employers, health insurance companies and healthcare professionals, whether enforcing company policy, setting insurance premiums or collaborating survey results. When someone smokes, the active chemical in the smoke, nicotine, is absorbed by the body and quickly distributed around the various organs. The nicotine doesn't remain in the body very long, as it is quickly metabolized by the CYP enzymes into cotinine. We test for cotinine as it offers us a far wider testing window than nicotine. So wide, in fact, we can detect cotinine up to 2 weeks after someone has stopped smoking. The saliva sample we need for testing is easily collected with a salivette. This is a small plastic canister containing an absorbent plug. To take the sample, the donor pops the absorbent plug into their mouth, where it sucks up a small amount of saliva. After about 30 seconds, the donor spits the plug back into the canister and seals it with the bung, and that's the sample taken. The great thing about this test is that samples can be posted off at room temperature for analysis. That's in the domestic post. This is far more cost effective than storing and shipping frozen samples. When we receive the samples, the saliva is removed from the salivette, then processed with our GCP validated method. After initial processing, the cotinine is then quantified using UPLC-MS. That's ultra-performance liquid chromatography systems coupled with triple quadrupole mass spectrometers. This is the gold standard for bioanalysis, and these systems give the most accurate results possible. Once we have the results, we report them as nanogram per ml concentrations. On top of this, we also provide interpretation tables assigning smoking behaviour categories. These are non-smoker, light smoker and heavy smoker. One thing to be aware of with the saliva cotinine test is that it only indicates if an individual has consumed nicotine. There are a wide range of non-tobacco sources of nicotine someone could have consumed. The most common is nicotine replacement products such as the sprays, gums, patches and e-cigarettes. There are also a few niche professions who can be exposed to nicotine without smoking. These include farmers working with nicotine-based pesticides and cigar makers who roll tobacco leaves with their bare hands. If an individual is taking nicotine replacement products or operates in an environment where nicotine contamination is possible, we can test for a tobacco biomarker, anabasine. Anabasine is a chemical only found in tobacco leaves. If detected at levels above our cutoff point, it shows someone has been breathing tobacco smoke. Please check out our frequently asked questions sections for further details. Thank you for watching.